Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the practical part of the previous video, that was partners capital account. So first of all, I have already written a question for this for profit and loss appropriation and partners capital account, and I have already made the profit and loss appropriation account just to save some time. From starting, I read the question for you all. A and B are partners. When nothing is mentioned, when no ratio is mentioned, then remember that you have to always take it as equal partners. Then, if nothing is mentioned, A's capital is 2 lakh, B's capital is 1 lakh, interest on capital is 10% per annum, and A's salary is 3,000 per month, and B is given a commission of 10,000. A advances loan to the firm on 1st of October. A ने 1st अक्टूबर को लोन दिया फर्म को for 3 lakh rupees and the rate of interest is 6%. So if it is taken on 1st October means October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months the interest will be? Only for 6 months. And B provided his personal property on rent to the firm for 2,000 per month. B ने अपनी personal property दी for rent for 2,000 rupees per month. Then interest on drawing is already given, 1,000 and 2,000. A की 1,000, B की 2,000. Net profit is 3 lakhs. So we have already done it. A quick revision. Interest on capital लिखेंगे, 2 lakh और 1 lakh का 10% is 20,000 and 10,000, that is 3 lakhs. A's salary is 3,000 per month. 3,000 into 12. 3,000 into 12 is 36,000. B's commission is 10,000 rupees. Net profit was given 3 lakhs, जिसमें से हम रेंट माइनस करेंगे. रेंट कितना है? 2,000 per month means 24,000, and interest on loan will be coming 18,000 for full year, but we have to take it out for only 6 months. Please listen everything very clearly. 3 lakhs per 6% is 18,000, but we will take it out for 6 months because the loan was advanced on 1st of October. So it would be 9,000. So we will subtract 24,000 of rent and 9,000 of interest on loan from 3 lakhs, that is the net profit. The answer will be 2,67,000. Here we will put interest on drawing, 1,000 for A and 2,000 for B. That would be 3,000. We'll add it, we'll subtract these amount, and the profit which we will gain is 2,24,000, which will be divided among partners in equal. This is, so we have already done and we know it. Now what are we going to do? We are going to understand fixed capital. Now I told you fixed capital में दो अकाउंट बनते हैं, partners capital account and partners current account. Capital account में क्या आएगा? Remember, capital कम होगा तो debit, capital बढ़ेगा तो credit. Basic rule of accountancy, where increased capital is debit and decreased capital is debited and increased capital is credited. अब partners capital में I told you fixed capital में सिर्फ capital आएगा और उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं होगा. इसमें ना ही additional capital है, ना ही withdrawal है. वो मैं next video में आपको एक ऐसा question कराऊंगी जिसमें सब कुछ होगा. अभी के लिए you will just write by balance brought down. This is what? This is the opening capital which would be given in your question. These capitals. तो 2 lakh. अब देखो, one more thing. Instead of making two different account for A and B, हम लोग एक combined account बनाएंगे जिसमें वही particulars होंगे और amount A के अलग लिखेंगे and B के अलग. Please understand and slowly you will have a habit of writing this also, कि अलग अलग A का account बनाया या फिर B का. No, एक ही अकाउंट में पर्टिकुलर सेम रहेंगे, ऑलमोस्ट दोनों के पर्टिकुलर्स लिखेंगे और जो ए का अमाउंट है ए के नीचे, जो बी का अमाउंट है वो बी के नीचे. सो व्हाट इज एज कैपिटल? एज कैपिटल इज 2 lakhs एंड व्हाट इज बीज कैपिटल? 1 lakh. उसके अलावा देयर इज नो एडिशनल कैपिटल एंड नो विड्रॉल. तो इधर आएंगे, इधर लिखेंगे टू बैलेंस, कैरेट डाउन. दिस विल बी दी क्लोजिंग capital. This will be the closing capital. कितना होगा? सेम अमाउंट, 2 lakh इधर, 1 lakh इधर. अब इसमें एक ही अमाउंट है तो वी विल ड्रॉ डबल लाइन हियर, सिंपल डबल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड फिनिश्ड। ठीक है ना। नेक्स्ट इज करेंट अकाउंट। अब बाकी सारे फैक्टर्स, दोज फैक्टर्स विच आर इंक्रीजिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल, वो यहाँ लिखा जाएगा एक्चुअल में ये सब। ठीक, यहाँ सबसे पहले क्या आएगा, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इट इज 20,000 एंड बी का कितना है 10,000, सॉरी। देन बाय सैलरी, A salary is 36,000, B no salary. By commission, A no commission, B's commission is 10,000. Then by profit from PL appropriation account. ठीक, what is the profit? 1,12,000 and here also 1,12,000. ठीक, and things which are going to decrease the capital is 2 drawings. Drawings are not given in the question only, so what you will write, 2 interest on drawings. Only 2 things come, drawings and interest on drawings. Drawings are not given in the question, so you will write 1,000 and 2,000. Or if the drawing, for example, if it is given in the question, it was given in the question, then you would have written drawings. Say drawings for A was 10,000 and for B was 20,000. Then what are we going to do? We are going to add the debit side and the credit and we will take out the balance. This will be balance carried down. The total here is 1,68,000 minus 11,000. 1,68,000 minus 11,000, which would give you 1,57,000 for A. There is the small area, the area is less here, so you need to cooperate. 1,57,000 and for B it would be 1,02,12,000, 2,22,000 minus 22,000, that will be 2 lakhs. Okay, please you can check the later, there is some calculation mistakes I suppose. Interest on capital was, it is coming 10,000, 20,000 and 1,42,000 minus 12,000 is equals to 1,20,000 is the balance for A. A का balance है 1,57,000, B का balance है 1,20,000. We all know that in what condition we are, so whatever in what condition we are doing all these things. So please cooperate, and it is 1,32,000. So this would be 1,10,000. So 1,68,000 and 1,10,000 is the balances. 1,32,000. Whatever resources are available in the today's scenario, I am using those resources and trying to my level best to make you understand the questions. So again, these things, दो अकाउंट बनेंगे, एक में सिर्फ कैपिटल्स आएगा, एक में आएगा इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन एंड प्रॉफिट. हियर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स एंड ड्राइंग्स, बस nothing else, and then you have to find out the balance, and these are your balances for your partner's current account. Now the next part is, or the next account which we are going to study is about fluctuating capital, where we make only one account. Basic thing, remember, capital increased credit, decreased debit. This is the debit side. Credit side, we'll write same particulars and amounts will be different for different partners. So first of all, we'll start with buy balance. What is this? This is the capitals which will be given in the question. The capital which was given was 2 lakhs for A and 1 lakh for B. First of all is the capital. Then what is it? Is interest on capital. It was 20,000 for A and 10,000 for B. Then there was salary. For A 36,000 and there was no salary for B. Then by commission it was nothing for A but 10,000 for B. Then by profit and loss appropriation account, as it was a profit, it was 1,12,000 for both of them, as they are considered as equal partners, right? And then this side I told you only two things which will reduce the capital. First is the drawings, which was 10,000 for A and 20,000 for B, and 2 interest on drawings, 10,000, 1,000 for A and 2,000 for B. At the end we'll take out balance. Every ledger, beta, always remember, every ledger has a balance. So in the end of the question it is understood that we will take out the balance. How will we take out the balance? We will add these two sides. We will add them. It would be coming as 1,68,000, sorry, 3,68,000, and this would be coming 1,32,000, 2,32,000, right? So from here you subtract 3,68,000 and 2,32,000. You will subtract 11,000. So the balance will be 3,57,000. 3,57,000 you want, you can check once, and here the balance will be 2,10,000, 2,12,000, 10,000, 3,57,000, 2,10,000. So this is the way when we are doing fluctuating में सब आ जाएगा, capital भी आएगा, and these things which are going to increase the capital, these two things are decreasing the capital, and this is the balancing figure, which is your new capital or your closing capital. I hope you understood. Tomorrow we'll do one more question with many more things which can be included in it, and we'll try to cope up with the format also, so you understand the format a bit also. First we'll start with PL appropriation, then partners capital account. Thank you for now.